Welcome to the Northport. This is apartment 308 on the 3rd floor. As you enter, you'll have your kitchen immediately to your left with a full-size dishwasher, microwave, range, and refrigerator. On the other end of the kitchen is your stackable washer-dryer. There is a pocket door that separates this area from the kitchen. You have your high ceilings of the living room and dining room. This floor plan offers a more formal dining room than some of our others. This will show you the coat closet. Some have used extra shelving in this area and use that as a pantry as well. This is your second bathroom. All of the second bathrooms will have a bathtub that have an optional seat in them. This floor plan is about 1,175 square feet. Nice big bright windows in the living room and each of the bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. A lot of people use bedroom 2 as a den in this particular floor plan. You walk across the living room into the master bedroom. This unit has been completely refurbished with new flooring, new paint, new lighting, new countertops in the bathrooms. Here's your master bath. The toilet and shower area are separated by a pocket door from the vanity. And one of the customizable options at Capstone Village is to work with Closets Plus to have added shelving in your closets. So again, this is your Northport 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, about 1,175 square feet. Call us today to schedule a tour and see why Capstone Village is a legendary place to call home.